Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will see how to install the Python on Visual Studio Code in your Mac operating system. We'll be seeing firstly how to install the Python, and then we will see how to install the Visual Studio Code. To install the Python, first of all, we need to go to this website, that is Python website. From here, you can download the current version of your latest version of your Python, that is 3.11.1. This Python stable version, that is 3.11.1, is available as of now. When I was recording this, you can download the whatever the stable version that is available, that you can be using it, right? Let us go down here. Okay, so these are the major features that are there in 3.11. To download this, we need to go further down. Here we are having a Mac OS 64-bit installer, universal installer. You can just download this one. You click on this. For Mac OS 10.9 or later, we can use this one. You can check with your operating system, right? You click on the allow. It will be downloaded to your download folder. We'll get it from there. We'll check the download folder. So download folder, it is being downloaded here. Once it gets downloaded, we'll go back there and we'll start installing it. So you can check the remaining features here of major new features of 3.10. Let us think it is completed. We'll install it. As we click on that one, the installer will start it here automatically. This package will install the Python 3.11.1 for Mac operating system 10.9 or later. So this is what written here. So we can just install that one and we can click on the continue. You can read the conditions, whatever the agreement is there, you can use these particular conditions. You can click on the continue button. Once continue, again you are having history and license is provided for those. You can just scroll and you can completely read it, and then you can go for the continue button here. Okay, then you can click on the read the license and click on the agree button. So it will be consuming the memory like 166.1 MB space on your computer. Ensure that it is there, and then you can click on the install. So it will be prompt you to the password, so you can enter your password and then it will start installing. Okay, it want to access the downloaded folder. Okay, that folder we are going to give the access to that one. It is installing. So it was the folder was created with the Python 3.11. Now the installer was completed. Congratulations, Python 3.11.1 for Mac OS was installed successfully. Okay, right? You can just close this particular button and you can move the installer. I don't want installer for, if I want I will download it. As of now I will move to the bin. So now we can see that here we are having Python launcher and also ideally, where ideally you can use and download the write the programs here. So we can click on this, it will be opening, like allow it and see it was ready. Write a print statement, print of welcome. A single quote we need to use, single quote, welcome. Just enter it, welcome is printed. So this is how successfully we have installed the Python in this video. This is how we can download the basic Python and we can install it in the Mac operating system. Very easy. Here we also have Python launcher and remaining other files stuff are available that you can check it here. Okay, if you like this particular thing, please like this video, share with your friends and also subscribe to this particular channel. So in next part of the video we will be covering the Visual Studio Code, how to download and install the Visual Studio Code, that we will be seeing. Okay, welcome back to the second part of this video. Right, in this we will download the Visual Studio Code for the Mac operating system. Like here we can download for the Mac. You can go to this website and download it here and click on the download button. So here three options will be there: Windows, Linux, and your Mac. Okay, you can click on this Mac icon and it should allow you for your storage. Allow it and it start downloaded in your downloads folder. So we'll come back again once the download is completed. Right, till then we can check this different features of the Visual Studio Code. As we know that this is one of the best editor for programming. So it has so many features are available, like different extensions are available, different working environments are available. You can install so many extensions, add-ons can be installed for better programming. Okay, like you can directly work with Python, Java, or any other programming language. This can also be used for many different types of application development. It can be used, and also application programming interfaces can be downloaded. That is, go and check whether the download has been completed or not. Yeah, we can see now the download has been completed. So we have Visual Studio Code in our downloads. We can just click on this to download, to install this one. Yeah, it started installed. You can open that particular library that has installed. Click on open. Our Visual Studio Code is ready to run here. So means it's just a application. You can drag it to the applications folder, and from there you can directly run this one. Right? You can select the theme, whichever you want, dark theme or light theme, and you can start perform your programming. Okay. You can also see how to create a workspace here. Like you can click on a folder, and you can select where you want to create. Like I will create a new folder here. Okay, I'll go here, new folder, my work environment I will specify like a programming environment, and I will create it. Okay, now I've selected this folder as all my programs will be saved here, so that I can just complete this, and you can just please like and share and subscribe this video if you like this content. For more interesting content, you can also press on that bell icon so that further notifications can be reach up to you. Okay, this is Dr. Karim signing off. Thank you very much for watching this video.